To add text to a Photoshop document, switch to the Type tool, and then click within the canvas. A new text box with placeholder text will appear, and a layer will be automatically created. Enter text as desired. Text formatting will appear in the options bar, such as font, size, and alignment. Be aware that in order to modify text, its layer must be selected, the Type tool must be enabled, and the text must be highlighted within the text box. To change the color, click the Color option, and then select the desired color with the picker. When done, click OK. To give the text some shape, click Warp Text. Click the Style drop-down and make a selection. Then, adjust other settings as desired. When done, click OK. To reposition the text box, switch to the Move tool, and then click and drag it to a new location. To resize the text box, which will also resize the text within it, click and drag the corner handle along the border. To rotate, hover just outside of a corner handle and then click and drag left or right. To add a stroke around the letters, click the Layer Styles button to the bottom of the Layers panel, which has an FX button, and select Stroke. Or double-click the layer icon and select the Stroke option. In the new window, ensure the preview box is checked to see the changes as they're made. Then, click the Position drop-down and select Outside, and adjust other settings as desired. When done, click OK. More information about Photoshop can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.